Hello and welcome back. My name is MJ, and I help you learn English with short, easy stories you can understand, even if you're just starting. Today, we're going to learn English you can use in real-life situations. You'll hear a simple story and learn new words with me that you can use in everyday communication. Here's how today's lesson works. First, I'll read the story slowly so you can listen and understand. Then, I'll explain the new words so you can remember them and use them in your own sentences.
Hello, my name is Sammy. I am 20 years old and I am a student. I came to London 3 months ago to study English. Every day I learn new words, but sometimes real life is still difficult. Today I have an important task. I need to open my first bank account in London. I feel a little nervous because my English is not perfect. But I tell myself, step by step, I can do it. In the morning, I put my ID card and some cash in my wallet. I also take a pen just in case. I walk to the bus stop, get on a red London bus, and ride to the bank near Oxford Street. When I arrive, I see a long queue. I wait patiently. I look around and see people checking their phones. Finally, it is my turn at the counter. The bank clerk smiles and says, "Good morning." He speaks slowly, which helps me a lot. He gives me a form to fill out. I understand most of the questions, but one is confusing. I say, "Sorry, can you explain, please?" He explains with simple words, and I write my answers. When I finish, I give him my signature. He types on his computer and then hands me a new bank card. He says, "Welcome to the bank." I feel proud and happy. As I leave, I think, I am getting the hang of it. Life in a new country is not easy, but every small success is a big step forward. I walk out into the London sunshine, smiling, ready for my next challenge.
Great job listening to the story. Now, let's look at some important words you heard. I'll explain each one in simple English and give you an example so you can use it yourself. Ready? Let's start with the first word. Great.
Bank account. A place to keep your money safe in a bank. I put my money in my bank account. Step by step. Slowly, one thing at a time. I am learning English step by step. ID card. A small card with your name and photo used to prove who you are. I show my ID card to the bank clerk. Cash. Money in coins or paper notes. I pay for my bus ticket with cash. Queue. A line of people waiting for their turn. I stand in the queue at the bank. Counter. The desk where a worker helps customers. I speak to the clerk at the counter. Bank clerk. A person who works in a bank and helps customers with their money and accounts. The bank clerk helped me fill out the form to open my account. Form. A paper with questions you must answer. I write my name and address on the form. Signature. Your name written in your own handwriting. I put my signature at the bottom of the paper. Bank card. A plastic card you use to take out or pay money. I use my bank card to get money from the ATM. Get the hang of it. Learn how to do something new. After a few visits, I get the hang of using the bank.
Great job! You listened to the full story. Remember, the more you listen, the better your English gets. If you want to keep improving, here's what to do next. Subscribe to my channel so you can join me for more easy English stories. Leave a comment with one new word you learned today. I read them all, and I'll help you if you have questions. Remember, learning English is easier when we do it together. So join our community, subscribe, share this video with a friend, and keep practicing every day. I'll see you in the next lesson.